The wiring method of PT-100 temperature probe. First, we remove the PT-100 probe from the cabinet. Three-core signal cable. The red one is the first. The red one corresponds to the first terminal. Green. Yellow. The cabinet wiring is completed. Connect the temperature shell to the fermenter. Three-core signal cable. To prevent falling off. When wrapping the wire, make it a little longer. The white of the probe corresponding to the red signal line. This is a wiring cap. Rotate the wiring cap clockwise. Red corresponds to green. Wiring cap. Turn it clockwise. Red and yellow. The two red wires connected to either yellow or green. Wiring completed.